this is review from Focus Machinery again. Now I'm going to introduce our bowl type incline conveyor. This bowl is 2 liters. We also have other size for the bowls. Inside of the bowl is not smooth. It's suitable for some kind of sticky product. You just need to open this clamp and take it out to clean. It's very easy. And this is the control box for this incline conveyor. Now you can see this is the emergency stop, and this knob is to adjust the speed of the conveyor. Now let me show you. Now it's a very slow speed and then faster. This is the VF lead. As long as we have this, we can control the speed. And you can see we use very good quality electric components. This collecting tray is to collect the product sometimes because it will drop in the ground. If we use this collecting tray, we can collect them very well. And you can see these clamps of the collecting tray. It's very easy to take it off.